दोस्तों, आप देख रहे हैं रेजिंग लिटिल माइंड्स, जहां हम पेरेंटिंग की दुनिया की बात करते हैं। ड्रामा, सस्पेंस, एक्शन और कभी-कभी हॉरर भी। एंड हम आज डिस्कस करेंगे अर्ली चाइल्डहुड पेरेंटिंग चैलेंजेस के बारे में, जहां हम ये बात करेंगे कि बच्चे थोड़ी-थोड़ी देर में डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो जाते हैं, जिनका कंसंट्रेशन पावर कम होने लगा है, उनके टेंट्रम्स अलग तरह के होने लगे हैं। तो आइए पेरेंट्स के साथ हम बात करते हैं और जानते हैं कि वो क्या चैलेंजेस फेस करते हैं। इसी टॉपिक को डिस्कस करने के लिए आज मेरे साथ हैं मिस्टर एंड मिसेस मल्होत्रा, जो हैं प्रज्ञा के पेरेंट्स। सर, कैन यू इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ एंड मैम आल्सो?
So I am Chayank Malhotra. She is Vagisha. We are proud parents of Pranya. We took this decision to put Pranya in crayon school, and that has been the best decision so far in terms of preschool education. We have been very fortunate that we are engaged with you in terms of her early education.
Thank you very much, sir. And your thoughts, if you can give.
I have seen Pranya, imbibe values, moral values, and I think that is the best part of being a Creonite for her, because I have seen her learn those values at a very early age, and I wanted to introduce her these values of integrity, trust, leadership. She participating in all the functions and being the front face. I think it will always give her an edge as she moves ahead in her journey. So I'm really thankful to Crayons and you for making us an integral part of your amazing journey.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So let's proceed with our discussion. I will just ask, आपके घर की एक सुबह, एक जनरल मॉर्निंग जो जब आप प्रज्ञा को स्कूल के लिए रेडी कर रहे होते हैं, वो कैसे स्टार्ट होती है? आपको शी यूजुअली रेडी टू गो, शी स्टार्ट्स कि नहीं जाना है, हाउ शी स्टार्ट्स एंड हाउ एज अ पेरेंट यू कन्विंस हर कि नहीं अब मॉर्निंग है, उठो, तैयार हो, स्कूल जाना है. सो हाउ यूजुअल मॉर्निंग कैसे होती है?
So up to it's been a while because she joined Crayons, when she was less than 15, like around 15 months. And now she's used to that routine where, she has to get up and she has to get ready. One thing which I definitely want to imbibe in her morning routine, and that is missing till now, is starting the day with meditation and a bit of physical activity. So abhi tak that has not been a part of her routine. So she is usually watching the TV in the morning while having the breakfast and all of those things. But now as she's growing up, I want these things to be a part of her daily routine as well, because I think mornings are the best time to be with yourself. And I am very lucky in that way because I have that kind of flexibility as an entrepreneur where I can give her more time in the mornings without having those very hectic mornings which usually are a part of many households. So yeah, that is something I really want to imbibe. And apart from that, I think now she's in that routine where she understands that school is all about learning and play.
Okay, great. स्क्रीन टाइम एंड रियल टाइम को और रियल प्ले टाइम को आप घर पे किस तरह से प्रज्ञा के साथ मैनेज करते हैं?
स्क्रीन टाइम जो है वी ट्राई कि हम थोड़ा उसको प्लेफुल भी रखें और एजुकेशनल भी रखें, एज आई हैव टोल्ड यू कि अगर उसको प्लैनेट्स के लिए कराने हैं या कुछ भी कैरल्स करानी है, एनीथिंग विच इज मोर फन फॉर हर एट द सेम टाइम इज टीचिंग अस समथिंग. और उसके अलावा थोड़ा बहुत शी वॉचेस कार्टून्स इन ऑल, बट दैट part we are, as she's growing up, we are minimizing that part. Apart from that, what we have been doing is, so I was introduced to Prayoga. It's an amazing, amazing toolkit to engage the kid. She has been learning a lot of concepts just by, having those cards together. उसमें बहुत सारी activities हैं. It's full of fun kit, I would say, for the kid, where she can actually touch, feel. There was clay boxes, very, and I want to say the clay was also, very organic. It was not you bought hard, and not a lot. I would say it was very safe for the kid. So the cards and everything. So all the activities, it actually helped her to understand some concepts better in terms of learning. कि आई स्ट्रांगली बिलीव कि बच्चे को एक एक्सपीरियंशियल लर्निंग देना इम्पोर्टेंट होता है रादर दैन जस्ट बुकिश नॉलेज
Right.
तो वो एक्सपीरियंशियल लर्निंग यू नो was very instrumental for her as she was growing up. And I feel that box has been a stress reliever for us because she would be playing with it for hours and hours. So that is something I want to mention. If you have to balance the screen time for your kid, make sure you have activities in place that can engage them better. There are a lot of things in the market right now, and not everything is for your kid. So just strategize what they love to do, and accordingly plan their day. Like Pranya loves to paint, so that is something which I make a part of her week at least once. So just see where the interest of your kid lies, because at the end they are also exploring, and you as parents need to be very attentive to what they are good at, because
Right.
that is going to be the foundation for what they might become in the future. So just that be more constructive with their time. Even if they are playing, make sure they are imbibing something. Like very recently, I also did one thing. I got her a box sort of a activity where there were a lot of dots, and those the color identification was very similar कि brown के ही 4-5 shades है, green के ही 4-5 shades है, and she had to paste them according to the size and according to the color identification. So इस type की activities now, according to her, she is just pasting the dots, but actually she is learning something through those.
Right.
So that as parents, I think you have to, see what your kid can learn. So she understood the difference between biggest, big, smallest, small through this activity of dots and color identification as well. So yeah, that's
So, now, yes, sir.
Also, to reduce screen time, you can make the child listen, because listening is another skill that is very important. So, it's a very crucial part of any communication. So, the more the child listens and learns to listen, the better it is to communicate with the world. So, if you remove the screen and just make her listen some educational stuff, that will also help. And that is also happening in terms of the songs that I play for her, because I myself sing a lot. So probably in that quality, I would like to imbibe in pranya as well. So the first part of singing is listening. So unless and until she listens, she won't be able to sing
Right.
properly in front of the audience and all. Yeah.
So, आज से अगर मैम 15 या 20 साल बाद की बात करें, so what as a parent you want Pranya to be?
what she wants to become. Absolutely what she wants to become. I feel कि अगर बच्चा वो follow करेगा about which he or she is passionate,
Right.
he will go a longer way. And gone are those times, जब conventionally we have to make a kid a doctor, engineer.
Yes.
Gone are those times, and I really want her to embrace herself. Choose something which she really loves, because I did the same,
Mhm.
and fall in love with what she's doing every single day. Instead of just doing something which everyone else is doing and it doesn't have her heart. So I just want her to follow her heart.
So actually, both our parents gave us a platform to explore the world, and that is what we would like to give to the next generation as well. We would just give her the basic education and the moral values and the platform to explore the world, so she can explore herself and just pick and choose whatever she feels comfortable.
And I also want to add that, in today's world, skill set is more important
Hmm.
than just,
The bookish
Mugging up the
knowledge and
book.
mugging up is
Right.
no more into the scenario.
Right.
That's true.
You could make a career just by learning how to set a table right.
Absolutely.
Maybe just teaching people how they could groom themselves well. So every career has a chance and has an opportunity if leveraged well. I just want her to find her calling and get into that.
My next question is कि सबसे unexpected tantrum अभी तक आपके बच्चे ने क्या शो किया है?
सबसे unexpected is कि she would want to wear whatever she wants to wear. उसको convince करना is has been a hell of a task. उसके एक दो जैकेट दे आर वेरी फेवरेट, ठीक है, तो एवरी मॉर्निंग शी वाज इंसिस्टिंग टू वियर दोस कि मैं यही पहनूंगी और मैं यही पहन के स्कूल जाऊंगी. दैट हैज बीन द मोस्ट अनएक्सपेक्टेड टैंट्रम coming from her because she is so young, but she would want to wear it all the time even when she's sleeping. So a lot of effort has gone in there, a lot of energy I would say, as parents.
We were so frustrated that we wanted to burn that jacket off. That pink jacket of hers.
True.
Okay, great. So, anything you want to share about your childhood जो उस टाइम पे आपने करी हो या आपको पसंद थी एंड नाउ यू आर मिसिंग दैट इन टुडेज चिल्ड्रन कि आजकल के बच्चों में ये चीज नहीं है या ये मिल नहीं पाई उनको, ऐसी कोई चीज?
One thing which I would want to share is I belong to a middle class family. So कुछ values के साथ हम raise हुए थे that पैसे पेट पे नहीं उगते and that kind of a mindset where we knew कि our parents have enough to satisfy our needs but not greeds.
Right.
But I think today's generation is missing on that because the standard of living has increased and all of us are pampering our kids with the best of the things we can get for them. But so that part I think is somewhere we need to balance that kid needs to know, he needs to the boundaries need to be set very rightly for the kid that yes, even if my parents have money to afford it, they would not get me have it just because I want it.
Yeah, that's
So that kind of a thing is something I would definitely want Pranya to imbibe because I want her to learn the importance of money from a very early age in her childhood. So yeah.
ग्रेट थॉट. एंड इसके अलावा कुछ एक चीज जो सर आप शेयर करना चाहेंगे कि हमारे बचपन में जो शैतानियां हमने की हैं, जो हम बाहर जाके खेलते थे, वो धूल मिट्टी आजकल के बच्चों को नहीं भी मिल रहा है. एंड इवन एज अ पेरेंट आल्सो आई थिंक कि कई बार हम लोग उसको कॉन्स्टेंट हो जाते कि नहीं धूल में नहीं खेलो एंड इन्फेक्शन हो जाएगा and this and that. So उसको आप किस तरह से वो करना चाहेंगे?
I was coming to other aspect of language actually. So there has been a tremendous influence of Western culture in our Indian society. So much so that our regional languages are diminishing. For example, if you take Punjabi, for example, if you take Hindi, for example, today's children don't know how to read and write Hindi also. They are constantly chatting in English only. So that is one thing that is diminishing in our society, and that I think we were having more access to as compared to our kids.
Right. That's very true. अभी ये हो रहा है बच्चों के साथ एंड जो हमने खेला है, जो खेल हम खेलते थे, वो शायद अब बच्चों को नहीं आते हैं.
Yeah, for example, a regional sport like गिल्ली डंडा is diminishing.
हाँ, हम लोग पिट्ठू खेलते थे, हम लोग आइस पाइस खेलते थे, तो वो चीजें आज बच्चों ने मतलब शायद मुझे कई बार ऐसे लगता है कि एज अ पेरेंट हम ही ने उनको इन चीजों का एक्सपोजर नहीं दिया जो उनको होना चाहिए था, क्योंकि उन चीजों से जो डेवलपमेंट होता था बच्चों के अंदर वो आज कहीं ना कहीं लैक करता है.
Absolutely.
सो वो फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज थी एक तरह से हमारे लिए, और उसमें हमारा जो एक ब्रेन डेवलपमेंट, हमारा कंसंट्रेशन पावर जो बढ़ता था. एंड जो एक चीज मैंने अभी मिसिंग मैं देखती हूँ बच्चों में कि शेयरिंग वाली थिंग बच्चों में कम होती जा रही है कि भी हम एक ही बॉल से इतने लोग खेलते थे.
Right.
आज हर बच्चे को अपनी बॉल चाहिए होती है. तो वो चीजें कहीं ना कहीं बच्चों के अंदर मिसिंग लगती हैं।
Right.
तो इन चीजों को करने के लिए अगर आपको बोला जाए कि let's have half an hour daily, yeah, on weekends you can take your child to any of the park or any of the ground कि चलो अब ये वाला खेल हम खेलेंगे, we introduce. So as a parent, are you ready to do these kind of things with the child?
Absolutely. So what happens? तो मैं प्रज्ञा को पार्क में लेके जाती हूँ. It's not very often, but at least 2 to 3 days she is visiting the park. We let her play. We let her be her. क्योंकि around we are the parents, you know, we have to nurture her the way we want, right? तो she is allowed to play. उसको मिट्टी से खेलना है. ये नहीं कि यार hands आपके गंदे हो रहे हैं, ये हो रहे हैं. I think these things is something child explores on her own, right? अगर हम उनको बहुत protective environment में रखेंगे and you know we are always over caring, over pampering and you know being over nurturing, I think that limits a child's potential.
Absolutely.
ठीक है. तो घर पे भी जैसे कि होता है कि she is messing up with stuff, so what I do is I just close the door and I tell her you do what you want to, I will clean up the mess, you just be. क्योंकि थोड़ा सा जैसे होता है कि कभी कभी बड़े भी लोग हैं उनको भी थोड़ा इरिटेशन होती है या कुछ है. तो दिस इज समथिंग आई ट्राई टू डू कि यू प्ले, यू डू एज मच एज यू वांट टू, देन आई विल क्लीन अप द मेस, यू एक्सप्लोर द वर्ल्ड.
राइट. अभी हमारे जमाने में क्या होता था, हम खेल के आते थे, हाथ मिट्टी से भरे होते थे, कपड़ों पे मिट्टी लगी होती थी. अभी हम लोग एज अ पेरेंट व्हाट वी डू कि हमने जैसे देखा थोड़ी सी भी मिट्टी भी यूज टू टेक अ वेट वाइप्स एंड सैनिटाइज कर दो. सो कहीं ना कहीं ये बच्चों की, हमें लगता है कि इम्यूनिटी को भी और लो करता है.
एग्जैक्टली.
वो इम्यूनिटी बच्चों में आ नहीं पा रही है जो पहले हमारे टाइम पे होती थी. बच्चे देखिएगा कम बीमार पड़ते थे.
राइट. एंड थोड़ा टफ बच्चे को बनाना इज इम्पोर्टेंट बिकॉज ही हैज टू फेस द वर्ल्ड अराउंड. ठीक है. हर टाइम उसको इतना ओवर केयरिंग एनवायरनमेंट देंगे तो would not be good for her to face the life
Right.
coming.
We have to make them to face the hardship of the life.
Absolutely.
That's very important. So attention span की अगर मैं बात करूँ मैम, so how you engage your child at home and किस तरह से उसका attention span आप increase करते हैं, क्या activity आप उसको देते हैं कि she should do that so that उसका उस एक्टिविटी के थ्रू उसका अटेंशन इंक्रीज हो, उसके फाइन और ग्रॉस मोटर स्किल्स इंक्रीज हो और स्क्रीन टाइम साथ ही साथ कम हो. साथ में ऐसी एक्टिविटीज जहाँ पे पेरेंट्स भी उसके साथ एंगेज हो सके एंड यू शुड हैव अ बॉन्डिंग विद हर एट दैट टाइम, एटलीस्ट अ क्वालिटी टाइम जहाँ पे आप दोनों एक कोई एक्टिविटी कर रहे हो. एंड हाउ डू यू एंगेज इन दैट?
सो मेरा क्या मोटिव होता है दैट द एक्टिविटी हैज टू बी enough कि वो उसका attention span भी it increases her attention span, at the same time she is you know learning something.
Okay.
हमेशा ये motive के साथ I plan her day. I try to. तो जैसे कि she does magic pots. She loves doing that. ठीक है. तो वो magazine है, उसमें बहुत सारी activities होती है, you know, find the way है, spot the difference है. Now those are very cartoonish type activities. ठीक है. Find the way है, animal figures है, so she enjoys doing that. उसको लगता ही नहीं कि she is you know actually learning something, but she is. ठीक है. तो she is finding the way, it's increasing her concentration. You know, she is developing those logical reasoning skills through those activities. So this is one of the things I love to do with her. Second thing, I introduced her to booster cards at a very early age. So when she was just 15 months old, उसको मैं booster cards रोज कराती थी, like around a bundle of 40-50 booster cards. And by the time she started speaking, she could actually recognize and remember them. So one thing, you know, I really want to say to parents is कि बच्चों की grasping, it's very fast at this age. आपको लग रहा है कि they are not speaking, so are they even, you know, grasping stuff? But you know, it happens. I have seen that live happening in Pranya. As soon as she started speaking, she could remember all the cards. She would say their names. So I think these kind of activities can be, you know, taken care of when we have to put the child, you know, away from the screen. Apart from that, you could also have some right brain activities. What I mean by that is she goes to certain places where, you know, they help which help her to increase her cognitive abilities. तो जैसे वो कार्ड्स कराते हैं या फ्लैग्स कराएंगे, they would just flip it upside down. अब बताओ इस कार्ड पे क्या था, what was there on this card. So she remembers the flags of every country. तो इस टाइप की एक्टिविटीज में the kid is not even aware कि he is learning or she is learning, but they actually are. I think that could be a good way. Even अगर आपको टीवी भी दिखाना है, I think it could be more constructively, seen कि आप उनको कुछ फ्लैग आइडेंटिफिकेशन करा रहे हो, प्लैनेट्स करा रहे हो, कुछ एजुकेशनल करा रहे हो. रिपब्लिक डे आ रहा है तो मे बी आप एक दो वीडियोस दिखा रहे हो. क्रिसमस है तो यू आर जस्ट सीइंग सम क्रिसमस कैरल्स विद हर, ताकि उसके माइंड में भी वो चीजें जाए. एंड कल्चरल एक जो आई थिंक कल्चरल एक जो इम्पैक्ट होना चाहिए, जो पता होना चाहिए, दे हैव दैट सेइंग विद देम थ्रू दीज thoughtful activities around.
Great, great, great. So now we will have a rapid fire round with both of you. Just we will start. And सबसे funny reason जिस वजह से आपके बच्चे ने tantrum किया है.
Pink jacket.
एक parenting rule जो आपसे सोचा था follow करोगे पर नहीं हो पाया.
Positive affirmations or meditation.
बच्चों को चुप कराने का सबसे weird trick जो आपने ट्राई किया.
She usually does that job, so she might be the best person to answer.
चुप कराने का sometimes scolding, sometimes distracting.
Weird. I asked weird one.
Weird one.
Have you danced or you have acted something in front of her like that?
Okay.
So we usually take her out for drives. So I usually drive for 5 to 6 kilometers even, just burn off my petrol just to distract her so that she forgets that tantrum.
It's a very unique trick, I can say.
Yes.
अगर आपके पेरेंटिंग सुपर पावर मिलता तो वो क्या?
Patience. A lot of it. A lot of patience.
सबसे एम्बैरेसिंग मोमेंट जो आपके बच्चे ने पब्लिक में क्रिएट किया?
She would just sing a song that nobody in our house recites actually, and that song was very lower middle class kind of a song, and
The song.
we were not even hoping that she would sing that song, but she sang it in public, so we were very embarrassed actually. So we thought, how did that happen? Actually.
आपके बच्चे का फेवरेट वर्ड या फ्रेज जो वो रोज रिपीट करता है?
तो जब वो थोड़ी छोटी थी प्रज्ञा, तो शी यूज्ड टू से 2 5. हम पूछते क्या टाइम हुआ? 2 5.
The definition of time was 2 months to her.
Now it's 30.
It's improved to 20 minutes.
20, 30. Yes.
So it's getting refined now.
अगर आपके बच्चे ने एक कार्टून कैरेक्टर होता तो वो कौन सा?
Shin-chan. She is high, very naughty.
So, sir and ma'am, and it's a lovely discussion with you. We will end up this episode over here, and lots more to come over. And definitely, we will want to have you again in our show and have further discussion. I have seen ma'am growing as an entrepreneur. It's a very, I think it's a nice journey you and leading there. And as an entrepreneur, I think you are somehow giving that platform to other women also, you're inspiring them also. How to live a dream, and definitely you are going to inculcate that things in your child also.
Absolutely.
So thank you very much, and looking forward for the same.
Thanks a lot. It was great to have this conversation with you, and I'm really glad that Pranya is a Priyonai. Something we have been blessed with as parents. Thank you so much.
तो दोस्तों, अगर आपको ये एपिसोड पसंद आया तो रेजिंग लिटिल माइंड्स को सब्सक्राइब करें एंड शेयर करें. अगले एपिसोड में फिर मिलेंगे. तब तक के लिए अपनी प्यारी सी छोटी सी दुनिया को बड़े सपनों से सजाइए.